Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're drowning in high-interest credit card debt, today's video is a lifesaver. We're diving into how to do a balance transfer on a credit card in 2025. This simple strategy can help you save money and pay off debt faster. Let's jump right in. First, what's a balance transfer? It's basically moving your existing credit card balance to a new card with a lower interest rate. In 2025, many cards offer an introductory 0% APR for 12 to 21 months, which means you can slash your interest payments and focus on the principal. It's a game changer for consolidating debt from multiple cards into one. Why it? The biggest perk is saving hundreds or even thousands in interest. For example, if you have $5,000 in debt at 20% APR, transferring to a 0% card could let you pay it off without extra costs during the promo period. But, and this is important, there are risks. You'll often pay a transfer fee, around 3 to 5% of the amount, and if you don't clear the balance before the intro rate ends, you might face a higher APR. Plus, it could temporarily ding your credit score. Now, let's walk through the steps to make it easy. Step 1. Check your credit score. You'll need good credit for the best offers, so use a free tool like Credit Karma. Step 2. Shop around for cards. Look for ones with low fees and long intro periods. Compare options from banks like Chase or American Express. Step 3. Apply for the new card online. It usually takes minutes. Step 4. Once approved, initiate the transfer through the card issuer's website or app, specifying which balances to move. Step 5. Start making payments immediately to avoid interest and build good habits. In 2025, keep an eye on updated regulations that might limit fees or enhance protections, so always read the fine print. Remember, a balance transfer isn't a magic fix, it's a tool to get ahead. If you're ready to take control, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.